In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create YouTube-sized images for your African Folktale Stories channel. Yes, if you watch my previous video where I explained the step-by-step process on how to create all these African folktale stories, you will notice that I talked about, there are some AIs which you're going to use and it's not going to give you this YouTube size. So for that reason, I'm creating this video. And guys, if you have not watched that video on where I explain the step-by-step process on how to create all these African folktale stories for your own YouTube channel, so that you can start earning massively on YouTube, then you need to go and watch it maybe after this one or maybe before this one you're currently watching. But the link is going to be in the description box below or the link above. Okay, so right now I'm going to show you, like I said, how you can now expand or convert all these images to YouTube size on your own YouTube channel. Now, you should know that there are different AIs you can use to generate these images. And in my previous video, I talked about, Leonardo AI, which over here, as you can see, this Leonardo AI is giving us the YouTube-sized images we want. However, because of the limitation in the token we're being given every day, there are other two AIs I talked about. Remember in my previous video, I talked about if you're using the Bing AI image generator, which is the Copilot, or if you're making use of, the WhatsApp Meta AI, as you can see over here, these are the images it has generated for me. Yes, and it is obvious that these images are not YouTube size. So what are you going to do? Okay, the very first thing to do is to go to Canva. Okay, I'm going to go to Canva. All right, now guys, you need to have the Canva Pro to do this. Relax. I know that yes, you don't want to spend much money, but the Canva Pro, I got mine for just 1,000 naira. So you too can get yours 1,000 naira for a lifetime. Yes, go to Facebook Marketplace, search for Canva Pro. You're going to see lots of people running ads over there on Canva Pro. And make use of it to do what I want to show you right now, because that Canva Pro is going to be essential to this stuff over here. Okay, 1,000 naira for a lifetime is not so much. So once you've gotten your Canva Pro, okay, I've got your image already from either the Bing AI or Meta AI. You come to Canva Pro, you click on create a design. Okay, then I'm gonna go with YouTube thumbnail. The reason why I'm going with YouTube thumbnail is because of the size. YouTube thumbnail size is also the normal landscape size, or will I call it, the YouTube size. Okay, so once you're here already, I go to upload. All right, I've already uploaded this image, but if you have not done that on your end, click on upload files over here, then go to where the image is and you upload it. You select it and it's going to be uploaded here. So right now I'm going to click on this. As you can see, it is here. Then I'm now going to expand it to reach the both edges. So now that it's expanded, okay, you can see that there is still space remaining over here, right? What are you going to do right now is to click on edit image. You need to click on edit image, and once you're here, now there are two things we're going to do over here. The very first one is we're going to use magic eraser, and as you can see, all this crown sign over here, it means all these features are for the Canva Pro, and without that you cannot use it. Like I told you, this is why we need the Canva Pro for this. Okay, so the very first thing we're going to do is to click on the magic eraser. Why? Meta AI has a watermark when you're generating images. So since I'm using magic eraser, I come over here. This is the watermark over here. I just circle it a bit, just so it can erase the watermark. And I click on erase. And voila, it is done. There's nothing over here again. There's no watermark, and it did it in a natural way. So now that's the very first thing. Now I have to go back because this image is not yet YouTube size. Okay, then I click on magic expand. So I'm going to click on the whole page because I want it to be expanded to the whole page. I click on the whole page. I click on magic expand. So now I have to wait for this to expand these images to that YouTube size for me. All right, guys, can you see this? This has really created an image for me, an expanded image, and it looks very natural. Looking at this over here, it just looks like a natural picture, which this magic enhancer did for me. Normally, it brings up 4 options for you to choose from. So in case the very first one is not nice, you can click on the second one. Look at here. I click on the second one. Can you see how it is? I click on the third one or the fourth one. Now it's left for me to select the best out of these 4 images. Then once I select this one, for example, okay, then I just go back, okay, and I click on download. All right, so once I now download this, I can now take it to my CapCut, add my audio and every other thing to this, and just turn it out to be a normal video. Guys, I still have other videos when it comes to this African folktale. Like I talked about, yes, even this magic expand over here, I am going to show you a video where you can use your smartphone to do it. Yes, I talked about creating a special video where I'm going to teach you guys how you can create everything from scratch on this African folktale stories using your mobile phone, because I know that not everybody has a laptop to use. So for that reason, from scratch, I'm going to show you how you can do this on your own smartphone, okay? And including how to even expand and erase everything, because the Canva on your phone is slightly different from the Canva. It may be quite confusing to you. So my video is going to give you the clarification that you need. All you need to do is give it a thumbs up if you found it useful. And also, do not forget to click on the subscribe button and turn on the bell notification icon so that whenever I create more videos like this, you'll be the first to get notified. And trust me, guys, I have more videos coming on the way on this African folktale niche. Even how to get your own background music, all this, African flute, African drum, without having to face, YouTube copyrights, whatever. Because if you use any sound, YouTube might give you a copyright strike and you will not get monetized after you have stress. Imagine that. Okay, even there are a lot of things you will need to understand about creating this African folktale channel. Yes, from your thumbnail to everything all at once. Yes. Okay, so I'm going to be creating a playlist on this my channel over here that talks about everything to understand when it comes to creating this African folktale channel. And I'm sure you would not want to miss that. Okay, so do not forget to smash the subscribe button and also turn on the bell notification icon. I'll be seeing you guys in my next